What's going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajun RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm doing all right myself. So today, we're going to do up what's called a Merlot steak. It's similar to a flank steak, just with finer texture. And we're going to do up some double jalapeno poppers, all with using Uncle Steve's new South Texas Red shake. It's got a lot of cracked black pepper in there, a good dose of red pepper flakes, and his smoke bomb. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're going to go ahead and cut open these jalapenos. Now we're going to go ahead and remove the seeds. We're going to start off with one package of cream cheese. One tablespoon of minced garlic. Tablespoon of diced jalapenos. Half a teaspoon of minced onions. Half a tablespoon of horseradish. And we're going to put in about a handful of triple cheddar cheese. Now it's time to go ahead and mix this all up. Now we go ahead and take that smoke bomb. Now it's time to go ahead and put on the Merlot steak. Oop, fell out the tongs. Oh yeah, listen to that sizzle. There we go. First off, we're going to go ahead and try this jalapeno popper. Oh yeah, nice heat. Definitely extra spicy with them extra jalapenos in there. Then you got the smoke bomb and that South Texas Red with that real bunch of heat coming off of it. With them extra pepper flakes in there. Real spicy. Now let's go ahead and move over to that Merlot steak. All done. I went ahead and tented it for 10 minutes, let it rest. Now it's time to go ahead and cut into it. Oh yeah, nice and medium rare. Lots of heat coming off from the red pepper flakes that are in there and that black pepper. Then you got that smoke bomb with the hickory flavor coming in there. Nice combination. I recommend this being put on some steaks if you want to go past the salt and pepper. So go ahead, give this a try. I think you would definitely like this on some steaks. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.